guys, me and Priscilla, we're gonna do our first ever commercial for a business brand. So that's what we're gonna do today. Period. Don't blink.
Oh, this song.
Tweety, can't we have no?
This girl is glamming up.
Say hi.
Here comes the day.
Here come the day. Okay.
When I tell you these niggas ain't shit, please believe me. They gon' fuck on anything, these niggas way too easy. Good for nothing, load on dirty dogs, I'm convinced. Next time you see your mama, tell her how she raised her bitch. You going out on the pop out, cause it's hot out. You was playing games, you want time out. Where the Ron niggas, turn the Ron niggas. I've been cuffed up too long, let me remind niggas. Boy, let's go wrong for wrong, let's go lick for lick. If I can handle that, let me see you handle this. Know you how you do me, bet you we won't speak again. Favorite player on your favorite team, he in my DM. I'm so small and tiny, he's so big and tall. Might let him thumb this pussy like he's on the ball. I'm a big freak, come and get a sneak peek. Back it up like deep, so that thing go leak. Chloe called you king, it's cute, don't get me wrong. I like him too, so baby, let me meet LeBron. I love Savannah, let me see what she be on. But it's plenty niggas, baby, I can keep it going. Look, Royal Rumble, this a jungle line, and some cheaters. It's clearly you don't give a fuck, so I don't give one neither. I like my niggas black and country, that's just what it is. I can tell that he excited, cause he go from small to big. When I tell you these niggas ain't shit, please believe me. They gon' fuck on anything, these niggas way too easy. Hold on dirty, good for nothing dogs, I'm convinced. Can't wait to see your mama tell her how she raised a bitch. Going out on the pop outside, cause it's hot out. You was playing games, you want time out. Where the fine niggas, turn the fine niggas out. I've been cuffed up too long, let me remind niggas. Ooh, I think he's sexy, ooh, he look good as fuck. Ain't that your home girlfriend, tell her to hook me up. Said each you having fun, let's have fun together. Baby, I'm with the shit too long, but whatever. Look, I know I'm cute and funny, I know somebody want me, I might go celebrate. I know I make some money. Outside niggas of an outside bitch, but be sick when the girls get some outside. I mean, dating suit, body suit, tryna let this body loose. This tequila 90 proof, chasing with my pussy juice. Written pages got them niggas, let me in that locker room. And some ladies out in Vegas, Asia, we was popping boom. Booty cheeks, gotta shake, certain niggas got some cake. Let me know the time and place, I'm just tryna ride his face. PJ, AK, take me somewhere tropical, spot day, masseuse, Uber driver, kinda cute. When I tell you these niggas ain't shit, please believe me. They gon' fuck on anything, these niggas way too easy. Good for nothing, load on dirty dogs, I'm convinced. Next time you see your mama, tell her how she raised the bitch. I'm going out on the pop outside, cause it's hot out. You was playing games, you want time out. Where the fine niggas, turn the fine niggas out. I've been cuffed up too long, let me remind niggas.
I ain't see your call, I ain't hear a ring. I'm in the studio, call you when I leave. Who
fucking lying. Where I'm about to go, I'm about to go outside. I'm about to take it outside. This pussy going outside. So now we going outside.
Queen gang, what's up? It's your girl Young Queen, aka Shanice, and that's on period. I love my Young Queen gang so much. So those previous clip that I show you guys was basically over the weekend stuff that I did. I basically worked with this brand. The brand is Truly Delicious. It's like a season brand. They want me to promote their season for them, and I did that. Your girl actually get paid for it too. Period. We ain't playing, we are not playing around here. It's all about the money. It's all about to get the bag as well too, baby. Isn't that right? So I did that a commercial for them. It was so great. Definitely this was actually out of my comfort zone and everything like that. Yeah, and it's kind of surround me acting. So basically I was acting in this commercial, y'all. If you guys don't know, in the future I want to become a professional actress, baby. That's right, we ain't playing. So that's what I basically did. It was fun, it was good, I enjoyed myself, you know, stuff like that, and it was so great. So I just want to come and sign out this video, even though it's not a lot in the video, y'all. Basically my phone was acting up. I told you guys already, my phone is not working properly, so it was acting up here and there, but I tried my best to get as much clip as I could possibly get for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I can tell you, baby, I'm coming with more videos, I'm coming with more content, because y'all my Young Queen gang. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me. I love you guys so much. Thank you for commenting under my video. And if you are not yet subscribed to the Young Queen gang, what are you doing? Make sure you click that subscribe button and join the Young Queen gang. And that's on period, y'all. And I will catch you in my next video. Don't forget to like. Bye.